Okay, it is no surprise that grocery prices have gone through the roof, but I'm still seeing some really great deals with store sales. So today I am stocking my shelves, my pantry, with all the summer essentials that will also lead me into the rest of the year. I'm gonna show you how to shop the incredible sales, what to get right now, and where the store gimmicks are so you could just walk away. So I am shopping at my Smith's today, and I'm comparing prices to my lowest point store in my area, which is Walmart. There is a game to these sales today. When you buy 5 or more of participating items with your card, you can mix and match. You will save $1 on each. Then they have a sale if you buy 4 or more, you save. I want to buy these things now at their lowest point than when I need them later, say in the fall or winter, to make a recipe. On my list is some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Right out front they have like a whole pile of it, but I'm also gonna go look on the shelves to see what other flavors that they have and stock up that way. This is a great sale on Sweet Baby Ray's. So it's normally here at $2.29. It's on sale for $1.99, and when I buy 5 I get it for 99 cents. At Walmart it's priced at $1.97. For the Italian wishbone dressing, it is $1.99. That is actually better than Walmart. It beats out Walmart. So I'm gonna grab a couple because then we can marinate chicken and beef with it, put it on the grill. It'll be so good. This is an amazing deal on mayonnaise. $3.99, are you kidding? I've been finding them for like $5 to $8. Right now, it's $5.49 for their regular price. So you can mix and match with the sale. That is the same for the Miracle Whip as well. And right now in Walmart, they're selling theirs at my store for $4.88. And I'm definitely going to stock up. And you do want to add a couple extra things onto your shelf, buy 1 for now and 2 for later. So I'm always looking at the prices at all my stores. I look online. When I'm in stores like Kroger, I'll even pull out my phone, get on the Walmart app to see what prices are there, so I know like, this is a good sale here, but I can definitely get it cheaper at Walmart. The Heinz ketchup is a good deal, and there's different varieties, and when I go over to the ketchup aisle, I'll take a look. But you can get a 38 ounce for $2.79 on sale, and here it's normally $3.79, and Walmart has it for $4.29, so that's a good deal. This is for the 20-ounce bottle. In Walmart, it's only a penny more, but still, save a penny, right? Those add up. Maybe make a list of your go-to items for the summer and keep your eye out on those sales. Think of all those summertime recipes that you make. Do you need pickles or mayonnaise or barbecue sauces or some certain ingredient that you know you can get a good deal right now? Stock up on. So I'm definitely looking for the sale on the pickles because we make a lot of potato salad right now. Pickles are on sale. It's a good price. $1.49 for the Vlasic. Very good. I mean, it beats out the store price pickles, which are $1.69. But I am looking at just this purely pickle by Vlasic, kosher dill, and they're $1.49. So if I get 5 jars of this, they're gonna be used. Are you kidding? We are pickle eaters in my home. I might just go ahead and get 5 of these. But don't be fooled. There are some price tags that look like sales tags, but they're not. Let me show you. See how this is their normal sales price, but they're making it look like it's a sale by how they have the tags. So you gotta be careful. And even has the blue bar like most of the sales run in their store. So you're thinking that this is a sale and you're gonna grab them. Not at all. Right now at my Walmart, I can get this box for $2.98. Sneaky, sneaky. Okay, we love the Chick-fil-A sauce in our house, and having it out here with the rest of all the sale items that they're promoting, it looks like, oh, it must be on sale. It must be a good deal. Well, they have it as their low price, I guess, of $4.29. If I were to look at the Walmart app in my area, I could actually get it for $3.74. And it's the same ounce size and everything. So I'm definitely gonna walk past this, well, not a sale, but promoting, I guess, and get it at Walmart. Now, not all the times will the smaller stores have great deals like on paper goods, paper plates, Reynolds wrap, saran wrap, baggies. Sometimes my bulk stores are the place to go for all that. This Reynolds wrap is on sale with the buy for $5. It makes it $3.79, but at Walmart I can get it for $1 less, or $2.28. And shop the clearance section. Go see what's on the shelves. There could be already some barbecue sauces or marinades or boxed items that you need, and then go to the clearance section in your meat department. You're always gonna find a deal on steaks and roasts. Okay, let's talk hamburgers. Everyone loves hamburgers during the summer, right? Think about what would be cheaper. Could I buy ground beef at the price that it's going for right now? Or are pre-made patties a good deal right now? Or frozen patties a good deal instead of the ground beef? Now you might actually save some money this summer if you actually buy the frozen burger patties instead of ground beef. Think how you could use a frozen burger patty instead of ground beef in some of your recipes. This is one way to save during inflation right now. Think outside the box. So what is the better deal? Getting ground beef to make burgers this summer or the frozen patties? And compare the stores. Right now, I can get more burger patties here at Smith's than I can at Costco in a bag, and I'm saving a lot more money. So with the sales going on right now with hamburger and hot dog buns, grab a few extra and put them in your freezer. If you want to know what I stock up on a month-to-month basis, I have a whole playlist for you below. Last year I took you along sharing with you every month what to stockpile for your pantry. It is worth watching. I have lots of great tips and tricks on those videos to help you shop your shelves. Well, I scored at Smith's for chips. Do you think we have plenty? I think so, but with the deal going on, oh my goodness. So they had two deals. $1.99 a bag for chips, the Lay's. The regular price is $3.99. Lay's Wavy, and then Lay's Classic, Lay's Sour Cream and Onion, the barbecue, Ruffles Queso, so good. The veggie straws, regular cheddar and sour cream Ruffles chips, yum. Sun Chips Garden Salsa, my favorite Sun Chips chip. Every kid's favorite Cheeto Puffs, and the original Sun Chips Harvest Cheddar. Now cereal wasn't what I was going for, but this deal on the cereal was so good. Wow, they had a great deal on their Kroger Raisin Bran cereal. With that sale, you can get a box for 99 cents. That was amazing. Their brand of like the Raisin Bran Crunch, like this, their brand was $1.79 and they're out, but I did snag some. And so you had to buy like 5 again. And so I bought 3 of the Raisin Bran. We're gonna try their Frosted Shredded Wheats. We've never tried theirs. And their Kroger Honey Nut Toasted Oats. We're gonna see if the kids like those because they love the brand name of both of them. And then this wasn't on sale, but it was super cheap. The Kroger Corn Flakes, there's a few recipes I wanna try with those. You know, when there's a sale and you could fit it into your budget, if it's that good, seriously snag it because it makes such a difference in your budget later when you need cereal or any item for that matter. And these are the last of the canned goods basically. I did snag 2 of the Bush's Original Baked Beans, the 28 ounces, because we do our Boston Baked Beans over the summer, and for $2 a can, that is a great price in my area. It beat out Walmart. This is the 28 ounce can of Bush's Baked Beans. This is something we use all the time for our Boston Baked Bean recipe. So $2 for a 28 ounce is amazing. Their price, they're regularly $2.69, and at Walmart they're $2.48. So we're getting the best deal here at Smith's for $2 for their 28 ounce can. And I grabbed 2 more cans of the Boston Baked Beans, the 20 ounce can. So for the big cans of Bush's Baked Beans, I have 3 already, and then a really big can of that. We do make a lot of Boston Baked Beans, so we're good for a little bit. Then we have the Vlasic Purely Pickles, the kosher dill spears, 5 of those because that was part of that sale, so I grabbed all 5 because we are out of pickles. And then 1 more teriyaki marinade and sauce. So I headed back to that other Smith's and grabbed some more pickles. I got 2 more of the Purely Pickles and then 3 of the kosher dill. Derek likes these ones. There is a slight different taste. It's just, I think, on how they process it. But so he really likes these, and the kids love snacking, so we grabbed those. Okay, I took advantage of that soda deal. Was it a deal maybe a year and a half ago? Probably not, but we're doing it. So for a 12 pack, you can get 4 for $12.88. That's $3.22 a case. So at Walmart, the price of a 12 pack right now ranges anywhere between $5 and $6. So if you want to stock up for all your summer parties and get-togethers and have some soda, this is a great deal. So I grabbed the Coca-Cola Zero, and there's no caffeine, so score for me. Root beer. What kid doesn't love root beer? We're going to try the ginger ale and raspberry lemonade. Never tried this. If you have, let me know in the comments below. And then the Dr. Pepper cream soda, zero sugar. So that is all the pop I was going to buy. We have one party coming up. Okay, I picked up 6 of the Best Foods real mayonnaise and 4 of the Miracle Whip. We use Miracle Whip for one summer salad, but mostly for sandwiches, and I like it in tuna fish sandwiches and actually egg salad sandwiches, so that will last us. So we are good with the mayos and Miracle Whips. And in your home, are you Miracle Whip people or mayo people? Okay, lots of dressings. The Ken's Steakhouse dressings with the mix and match deal was unbelievable. The price was amazing. It blew Walmart out of the water, so I definitely grabbed some. So I have not had the Asian sesame with ginger and soy, so I want to try that. Their honey mustard is so good. Their creamy Caesar. The Thousand Island, I actually got 2 bottles of that. I actually like putting Thousand Island on my burgers. And the Ken's Italian dressing with aged Romano. I can't remember if I liked this one or not, so I wanted to try it again. And then, of course, their ranch dressing, so good. And then a French dressing. My daughter loves French dressing on her salad. And then 3 of the zesty Italian dressings from Wishbone. So now we have 4 with the one in our food storage room. And now we have 5 Italian to see if we like marinating with it or not. So we are good on the dressings. And the expiration dates are all in 2023. With how good the deal of the ketchup was, I grabbed 2 and then 1 yellow mustard for that price. So we are good on mustard for like pretty much the whole summer season. 1 Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. 3 of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Now I'll have 4 on my shelf of those. Will that be enough barbecue sauce for this summer? Probably not. And these are the dipping sauces. The honey mustard, so yummy. I grabbed 2 of those. And the Ray's chicken sauce. I'm guessing it's probably on the lines like of a Chick-fil-A sauce type of thing. It's a sweet and smoky sauce, and they said it's made for chicken. So we will try that. And I went in and grabbed 3 more of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and those don't expire until 23, and same as the Ken's Thousand Island. I already opened a bottle and I'm like halfway through. We've had burgers. All right, I'm gonna take all that stuff that I got and get it on those shelves and take inventory of it. If you'd like to see how I took inventory of our food storage, our 3 to 6 month rotating pantry, I'll have that video linked for you down below. If you would like some more tips and tricks on how you can also accomplish this and start building upon your food storage based on what your go-to recipes are that your family have all the time, that's the key to all of this, you guys. Keep track of what are your go-to meals, and then you too can start putting this together little by little. Remember, buy 1 for now and 2 for later. Again, the playlist on what you can buy month to month for the year is right here for you. Also right here, check out this other video I have for you on how you can start saving. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.